私はアルゾです。フィンランド大使館シェフ。Today we will bake coffee cake that's made from dates.
Let them shine. I used to be one of
We call it coffee cake because we drink coffee with it. Normally we only serve this cake or bake this cake on Christmas time, but it's oishi, so you can bake it whenever.
As I fell for your spell, Christmas spell.
Okay, we will start the date cake. We will add 170 grams of dates, 3 deciliters of water, and 2 deciliters of sugar. Then we will boil it until it's tender and soft. Then we will blend it. Then we will add 200 grams of butter and let it melt and cool down before we continue. Okay, then we will continue the cake. We have here strong white flour, and we will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of soda. And we will mix it. And next we will add the 2 eggs. Mix it well. I recommend to use room temperature eggs, it's easier to mix it. That's good. Then we will add it to the date and mix it well before adding the flour. We will add the flour little by little. The reason to put it little by little is that there's no flour balls inside. If you put too much, there might be like little golf balls inside made from flour. Number 8. Make hachi round. Alrighty, that's ready. Cake mold, I brush it with melted butter and put some flour so it's not gonna be so sticky. Put the dough to the cake mold. And yeah, try to put it evenly all around. And then you can tap a little bit so it goes evenly and it's straight. Get if there is some air, the air out if there is somewhere. And then we will put it to the oven, 175 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Then we will check if the cake okay. Is it done? We will place the toothpick. Yes, it's done. And here is the cake after a couple of hours, ready to be served on the plate. So So let's cut it.
This is called taartelikakku, and of course we don't have dates in Finland, but of course we have been importing dates for many decades, and this has become during the past decades a very typical Finnish Christmas cake. Let me try this cake. Very good. It has to be a little bit moist, because the moist gives it it gives a very pleasant structure. And the flavor is quite sweet, because also the dates are quite sweet. But well, let's say dates are quite healthy, so it's quite healthy cake.